Hi guys, this is Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we're going to be going over a bent over dumbbell row. To start, you're gonna grab 2 dumbbells, stand up nice and tall with your feet at hips width apart. You're going to drop the dumbbells by your sides and pull your shoulder blades back so that you are nice, tall, and upright. You're going to hinge your body forward, keeping your back and core nice and tight. Your back should not have a bend. And then you are going to drop your arms so that they fall just under your shoulder blades. From here, you're going to squeeze your shoulder blades tight and pull those elbows all the way back, rowing with the 2 dumbbells. And that is a bent over dumbbell row.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Thanks, guys!